videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Ascension Island. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, more and more countries are migrating towards e-visas because e-visas you can apply anywhere and it's very easy. You can do it at your convenience and it's something that boosts tourism too. All right, so for the country of Ascension Island, this comes under British Overseas Territory. So the very first thing is to determine, do you really need? So I'm going to click here, am I eligible? So subject to the exception below, you need to have a visa. Okay. All right. So all nationalities, including British citizen, require visa except. Okay. National countries which require visa to enter UK wish to enter may be required to show evidence of multi into UK visa. Okay, this additional. All right. So in most of the cases, you can read and understand this if that is for you. Now come here. If you want to know more, like some common questions that you have, you can get. There are some exceptions. You can read this. Visa categories and allowable activities. How much it cost. So for visitor visa standard 20 euro. For fast track 30 euro, under 12 5 euro. All right. Payment. Okay. Online you can do, and there's some other methods too. How do I get to? All right. So you have all this. Okay. So now in order to begin the application here on the main page, you have the option to start application. So the very first thing is to select your nationality. I'm just putting sample. You need to do as per your case. Okay. So I'm just doing example. Okay. And can only be should up to 3 months in any 12 months period. Business. Okay. I'm just putting sample. You do your case. Okay. Just sample, guys. You don't do that. Password. Wow. Wow. Okay, so maybe it require a login, but let's see. I'll see what I can do. Just sample, guys. I don't see any validation error, at least up to now. Gender. Date of birth. You need to put as per your case, not what you see here. Country of birth, whichever is applicable in your case. Country of residence. As per your case, address line 1. I'm a human. Okay. Summer. Cool during a warm summer day. Thank you. Okay. Probably it asks for the password so that later on you can retrieve the application. Nationality, whichever is applicable in your case, you can select that. Passport details, I'm putting sample, guys. Place of issue. Wow. Date. Upload. Can I bypass this? No, I have to do. Okay, let me see what I can do. Visa details, visa type. This is very important. Reason for visit. Okay, provide detail like if you're going for tourism or whatever. When are you coming? So I'll just say May. Arriving by air, flight, departure day. Let's say wanna stay for a month by air. Pay accommodation, yes. Just sample guys, you need to put as per your case. Have you traveled there before? No. Traveling alone? I select yes. Visa for any other countries past 5 years? I said no, but if you have definitely refused entry or deported, removed. Okay, everything you can go through and answer. It's very simple. Oh, which countries have you visited past years? But past 5 years. I just say USA. Now you have to review and then you'll go to payments. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to get it done. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.